Greetings and welcome to our one and only visual effects production on set, a course on becoming a visual effects supervisor. The course covers the ins and outs of becoming a visual effects supervisor on set and or in post, especially for those visual effects artists who are just oh so tired of sitting behind a computer screen screaming at pixels all day. Whether you are currently a visual effects artist wanting to break out of studio seats onto set, or aspiring at new filmmakers working on a sci-fi film, this massive, comprehensive interview and production footage-filled course will definitely expand your knowledge of the inner workings on set and in the minds of the visual effects supervisors today. You'll learn what a visual effects supervisor is, how their role works from pre-production to post, as well as check out cool, exclusive footage from actual green screen studios, working studios, and visual effects veterans sharing their stories and insights. Now, how cool and rare is that? Alright. So who am I to be teaching you this subject? Well, quite simply, I'm someone who has worked in the Hollywood film and visual effects industry for a number of years. I was involved in the visual effects and post-production work in TV hit series such as AMC's The Walking Dead, Hemlock Grove, and blockbuster movies like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, War for the Planet of the Apes, and Aquaman. If you need more credentials, feel free to look me up on IMDb or look at my instructor bio for this course. Speaking of credentials, it is introduction time. So, take a moment, post an introduction post of yourself. Basically quick info such as your name and your goals for taking this course. Do you want to become a visual effects supervisor? Are you a filmmaker working on a new zombies in space film? Or maybe you just hate sitting in front of the computer screen forever. Go on, say hi.